Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in 2025 Volkswagen Taos, and I will show you which fuse and which relays to check in case your front wipers are not working. This video should apply to these vehicles made from 2022 all the way up to 2026, possibly even newer. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Okay, so the fuse and the relays you want to check will be located in the main fuse box, which is under the front hood, just next to the battery, right here. To remove the cover, you have two black tabs, one on this side, one on the opposite side. You want to press them both to unlock it and then lift up. On the back side of the cover, you will have a small fuse puller you can use to remove and check the fuses. And the fuse you want to check will be this 30 amp fuse located right here, and these are the front wipers relays. So these are the three things you want to check. If everything is good, then you'll have to dig a bit deeper. You want to check the front wipers switch, you want to check the wiring and things like that, and possibly the wiper motor. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.